Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the brake lights on your car. What's happening with my car is one of the brake lights on the back, when I push the brake, it doesn't work, it doesn't turn on. So today we're going to show you. It's very simple. All you have to do is just simply change a light bulb, and we're going to show you. You can see on the left that the light doesn't turn on. So what we're going to do is replace the bulb on the left. Let's go inside the trunk and take a look to see what's going on. Alright guys, now that we're inside the trunk, so basically you have this door here to access the light. Just pull it right open right there. And then you have three bulbs essentially here. So you have this one, and this one on the bottom. You can see it. So it's very easy to replace. All you're going to do is you're going to check the light bulbs to make sure that they're not burned out. You want to inspect all three of them. So usually the bottom one is the brake light. So all you're going to do is just give it a little twist like this, and it's going to pop right out like that. So what you're going to do is you want to inspect it, and you can see how it's all dark right here, and on this side you see how it's all clear. So basically what it should look like, this is a brand new one that I purchased at, you can see that it's not burned out, whereas this one it is, you can see. So all you have to do is just pull it right out, and it comes out. So all you're going to do is just put it right back in like this, and there's only one way. It's just going to clip right in, and that's it. And then you're just going to put it back inside this, give it a twist. There you hear a click, and it's right in. It's simple as that, very simple. So now you can try it out and test out the brake to make sure it works. So let's go ahead and do that now, and let's check the brake to make sure it works. Okay guys, now that we've installed the light bulb, we're gonna go ahead and test it out to make sure it works. And we're just going to press the brake and see if the left light turns on. Go ahead and press on the brake. Alright, you can see on the left the light turns on now, so we're good to go.